Do you think that data analyst jobs are in jeopardy? Is the AI here to steal our jobs?
Yeah, hot topic. So back to that consulting report that I was reading, they polled executives at a lot of these large companies that generate more than $1 million in revenue and asking them what is going to be the outlook on this. And more than half of them said that AI will actually increase the amount of employees. And with that 50% that felt that they were going to increase their jobs, the specific jobs that they thought they were going to increase were specifically related around data. So data engineers, data scientists, and data analysts were like three of jobs that were actually going to increase by AI.
Hmm.
If you think about Excel and its invention. So previously, whenever we had spreadsheets, right, and they were paper spreadsheets and people would have to write them out, and we had big old rooms filled with these accountants in it, and they were just, their whole job was just sit there with this spreadsheet and calculate these numbers by hand and trying to figure it out. And then Excel was invented, and you have this computer, and it was advertised at the time it's going to replace, hundreds of different jobs, and one person's going to be able to do it. And if you look at the jobs of accountants from that time period to now, they've done nothing but increase. So
Yeah.
because of this powerful tool, now we can do deeper dives into the data and provide better insights. So we're not doing these menial tasks. We can actually do more meaningful tasks, provide more value,
Yep.
and increase our output. So yeah,
I love
I'm
that.
really,
I love that. The topic now is like, yeah, it's going to take our jobs, but I love the idea. It's actually going to create more jobs. And I think technology's done that a lot of the time.
and I'm not saying, right, we may not see a shift, right?
Oh
Maybe
yeah.
a shift to be like, maybe instead of just a data analyst role, it's AI data analyst, right?
Yep.
So it's going to require learning these tools. That's why
Sure.
it's like this chat GPT, I'm pushing, like, let's start learning now. And whatever we're learning from this chat GPT can be applied to another large language model that you may be using. So it's going to require some new skills to learn. But I think your job's safe as long as you're staying up with those skills.
Yeah, I 100% agree. It's just a new tool and you can use the tool still.